changes sound wicked, don't they?
It's a bit like a Golf R, isn't it?
Yes.
It's a bit weird.
It is literally like a little Golf R.
I'm in an RS3, blacks out 5-door, can't see me. 0 to 60 in 3.3. What you gonna do? You can't catch me.
What's this one? DSG Panther here. Today, you guys have probably already seen this video, but we done a video with Calvin Car Diary, and I just want to say before this, thank you to everyone who subscribed from his video. I hope you guys are all good. I hope you're all having a good day or good evening whenever you're watching this. Probably evening because it comes out every Thursday and every Sunday. At 6 PM we upload a video, so just make sure you're active on them days, or Wednesday or Thursday and Sunday at 6 PM we are active on the videos. Yeah, thank you to everyone that subscribed from that video. Massive shout out to all you lot. Thank you all. I'll put some comments up now. Thank you to you lot. Honestly, thank you to everyone that has showed love from the video. It means the absolute world to me, and I'm just thankful that that video could even happen. Yes, we got way more videos coming, but today I just wanted to upload the video in case some of my followers haven't seen it. I don't know how you haven't, but if you've been busy, I've been quite busy recently. If you've been busy, I've started a new job and stuff like that. So if you have been busy and you haven't seen the video, I'm going to put the video up in a minute. I'm just going to cut the parts that I wanted to put in my videos. It's not exactly the same. It's probably going to be a shortened version, get to the point, stuff like that. But yeah, thank you Calvin for helping me out, and I hope you guys do enjoy this video. We've got way more content coming now. I'm also going to smash the content out. I'm going to get a new camera, so hopefully the content should be better, but I've already got a newer camera that we're on right now. But yeah, so keep your eye out. Make sure you follow me on all the socials. DSG Panther on Instagram, DSG Panther _ I think on TikTok, and DSG Panther on YouTube. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. You know what, we're going to up the goal. 10,000 subscribers is my goal. Let's see if we can do that. Let's just see if we can do that, okay? Let's see if we can do that by the next year. That'd be amazing. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you do enjoy it. We're going to get to the clips of me and Calvin in the car. Make sure you go check out all the brands that work with me. And I do also want to say quickly, someone said my 0-60 times are really slow. Now I've already explained this, but my turbo was actually on its way out before I actually got my car tuned, which I did the other week by AMC. So my turbo was actually on its way out when we done that draggy time. I will put up the draggy time now. We actually got 0 to 20 to 70 in like 5 seconds. So yeah, my turbo was on its way out and the gearbox is like clunky when then. So yeah, just want to throw that out there. The turbo was on its way out. That's why the time was really slow. But yeah, let's stop talking. Let's get into the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
You've mentioned, obviously you've got your YouTube channel,
Yeah.
Which I'm like massively supportive of, man. I know what it's like being a small YouTuber, growing. Even at my level, it's hard work.
It is.
Getting results is different. It's a mission, man. So I respect that you're doing YouTube
Spend
channel.
a lot of time editing and you get like 2 views.
Exactly.
It's a struggle at this point. But
it is a real struggle.
Yeah.
So your content is dominantly about the Polo?
Oh yeah, everything done to it is, you can find it on my channel. So everything, front splitter, side skirts, spraying the wheels, tuning it, everything's on the channel.
You've done it all, yeah, the whole
even
process.
POV drives.
Well done.
A lot of car content.
So you bought the car completely standard.
Completely standard.
And all these bits you've done in the time that you've had it, and it's all documented on your channel.
Yep.
Wicked, and it's DSG Panther.
Yeah.
Where's the word Panther come from?
So I like the cars to be all blacked out, and Panthers are normally black. So
how did I not guess that?
And it's DSG. So
yeah. Of course,
the DSG. I've got to be a DSG now. So.
Yeah. Well, you'd have to just change your name accordingly, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
So you've gone for black wheels.
Yeah, black wheels, just the whole black look.
Blacked out, black windows.
Done the wind mirrors in silver, just to kind of give it a Golf R vibe. Obviously the Golf R come with a silver wind mirror cap, so
yeah,
I had to paint them myself. But
mate, you've done them yourself.
Sure, I get roasted in the comments for it.
Do you know what? People can feel free to roast you in the comments, but you're a 20-year-old lad, you're on it, you're doing your thing, and you're trying to watch your pennies naturally, which we can talk about as well. So for a living, what do you do? So
I actually sell trainer care products. So stop your shoes from getting muddy and stuff. Ironically, we are in the water.
So you've got fresh shoes on. We've got dirty puddles everywhere, bingo dust everywhere. But it don't matter because you're the man who cleans shoes. But we've got the products for shoes, yeah?
We've got them in the boot, so.
Wicked. That's proper good. So you do. That's your main thing.
That's my main thing that helped me get this. So, and then after YouTube, but hopefully I can balance them to be both my incomes, and all the money from YouTube will just go back into modding this and making more content for everyone. So,
mate, I absolutely rate that, man. 20 years old. That is absolutely. When you watch this video back when you're 35 years old, like me now, yeah.
Hopefully I have my RS3 by then.
You will have your RSV. You'll be bloody proud of yourself, man. Well done. 20 years old.
Thank you.
Well done. That's wicked. And yeah, so I will put a link for your YouTube channel in the description below because I want to like support and encourage
hopefully
people.
2K.
2K, is that the goal?
I'm
yeah.
So close, but it's
2,000 subscribers.
So close. That's my goal.
We'll do that off the back of this video. So you've also done Maxton design splitter kit all the way around,
Maxton whole kit, rear diffuser and everything.
I like the look of that rear diffuser, man.
It's missing a middle bit because it did have a rain light on it, but fell off. So have to put that back on at some point.
Yeah. Anyway, so you got the rear diffuser, the rear spoiler.
Yep. From Maxton as well, but that's for the newer Polo. So that spoiler isn't technically meant to fit this car. It's actually from the AW Polo, which is the one after this. But I made it work.
Mate, it looks proper good, doesn't it?
Yeah,
it sort of
goes well with it.
Have you gone for an OEM Plus look purposely, or is it?
I mean, I kind of wanted to be more low key and just blacked out, so kind of just. You know, you kind of just see it there and then it's not there. So.
Yeah, and you gone for the rear lights as well?
Yeah, they are from VLAN, so they're VLAN sequential rear lights.
And they've got like...
Yeah, they're fully tinted and swipey Audi things, so...
That's a nice feature.
But now I need them on the front, because now the front lights don't do it, so I kind of...
But do you know what? If we could walk over to the car, I was going to say, yeah, these headlights, to me, like as a, you know, I pick cars to pieces, yeah? They're a massive feature on this car. For a VW, like this is ultimately...
starter GTI.
It's a Vauxhall Corsa competitor, yeah, in a German world, right? Them headlights are a bloody work of art. Even the way the red line goes through into the headlight, and then at the back end of it here, you've got this small red feature. I'm guessing you've put these eyelids on, yeah.
More aggressive.
I think it is such a bloody cool looking car, man. So you've also gone for 4D plates as well.
Yep.
Just loads of little touches.
Just little things. The little things make the bigger things. So I also blacked out the VW badge as well. That's plasti dipped.
Oh, nice.
We've got blacked out wheels and EBC yellow pads on it as well. So
important.
Just help stop a little bit more of the stage one. So
yeah. So exhaust. You've done the exhaust.
Yeah. Exhaust is straight pipe.
Stage 1 Revo tune.
Yeah, and then TVS stage 3 gearbox map.
Mate, and you said the gearbox prior to having that map wasn't very good.
No, it was slipping, it was horrible, it was clunky, like pulling away. Now, it's a little bit clunky still, you can't fix the gearbox completely, but in sport mode, the gear changes is just pretty much seamless, so...
That's brilliant.
It's a lot better now.
So the gearboxes, you say, are a bit of a weak point on these cars,
everyone probably will comment right now, you should have got a manual, but the DSG was better for me because I wanted an auto, so it's the cheapest auto you could probably get with the performance, so... That's what I went with.
We're going to do draggy times as well, yeah?
That'd be interesting.
We've got to do that.
I tried to get mine working, but it didn't, so it'd be interesting to see what it does.
You want to get into the 60s, yeah?
Yeah,
that's
60s,
the goal.
That would be
wicked. Cool. Let's jump in, hear it, and we'll hit the road, yeah?
Let's do it.
Cool. So interior's nice. It is so much like a Golf R, isn't it? Like,
it is.
Obviously, I drove to work in mine today, so the infotainment system.
It's just someone's gone. Just made it smaller, pretty.
Yeah, exactly that. You've got heated seats as well.
Yeah, heated seats.
Little sport button up there.
Yeah, that's got adaptive suspension on it, so it goes a lot stiffer when you put it in sport mode.
Oh, wicked.
Parking sensors, traction, pretty much all you need, and then obviously DSG can put it into manual. Yeah, then we've got Apple CarPlay and stuff like that on it. So you've got the performance monitor as well, so that's custom. That isn't from factory, you have to get that added. So, and steering wheel. Steering wheel,
so let's talk about that, because it's obviously been retrimmed.
Yep.
Who done the retrim?
By me.
That is so cool, man.
I wish it was better, but...
Nah, that's wicked you've done that. It don't need to be better.
Paddles on the back as well.
Yeah, I see the paddles.
These ones aren't stick-ons. I don't know if you got any in your Golf R or...
Oh, I've seen the stick-on ones.
Yeah,
I don't like them.
I actually changed the whole unit on this. So
good.
This is a whole new paddle. But yeah, and then we've got a red sticker on the thing as well, and then red sticker down here. So it just covers up the thing. But obviously, eventually, I want to get a whole new airbag and a whole new steering wheel. But for now, this is just the look that I've gone with for a bit. So
mate, it looks wicked. I think I rate it. I rate that you've done that with the steering wheel. I like the look of it, and you know, who the hell attempts to do their own steering wheel?
No, not a lot of people. That's why I've done it, but I got a lot of stick for it because it's not the best. But I mean, it hasn't came off. So
mate, I don't think anyone deserves to get stick for trying. I think you've done it. Like that's, what is it, 80% good, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it's not like the worst thing in the world.
Nah,
it's not tearing off. It's not. I mean, look,
it's all right. So you've gone over the lever, yeah?
Yeah. So you just stitch in and out, It's a long I had to get my mum to help me.
No, wicked.
So bad. But
wicked.
She helped me out. I'm worried about it now.
Suspense. So a couple of markers. It's got finance on it, which you know, obviously.
Yeah, obviously know about that.
And then the NMR check has failed. It's failed an NMR check. So what you can do in this situation is you can do an investigation, yeah, and they can look into it. But we already know what they're going to come back with.
Yeah.
So the only way you'd ever prove if this car has been clocked, it could have been clocked after the 28,000, would be going to that MOT garage and asking them if they remember, and there's no way they would. And even if it had have been clocked, or it might have had a mileage blocker, I don't think it's done many more miles than what you believe it's done anyway. So my opinion is, I think
the service history on the book lines up properly. That's the weird thing.
Is it VW history?
Yeah.
I think it's fine.
Full VW history.
There is another way you can do it. You put it into VW. I don't know if they can do it on all cars, but some cars they can read the mileage on the gearbox, and then that will tell you a definite figure of the mileage. That's also a possibility.
So I could get them to do that, and that might sort it, or
get
the myths out the way and see what it comes back with.
I think had you flagged this up as an issue initially when you bought the car, then you could have had a bit.
It is my fault. I kind of, but then when I buy them from a dealership, you kind of don't think about that. I feel like when you buy from a dealership, you're like, right, it's a proper dealership. You ain't got to worry about it. I don't know. It's kind of, I thought that they should have done that check surely before they bought it. Or
I think the bottom line is for you, you're happy with the car.
Oh, I'm more than.
And you've had it 9 months. You know,
modded the crap out of it as well. So.
Exactly that, but even prior to that, and the mileage is still just a question mark. No one really knows, and even from the dealer's point of view, they don't actually know if it's definitely. If anything, it's likely that it hasn't been clocked.
Yeah, it's been looked after.
It's been looked after. It's a tidy car.
History, so
the wear on the interior is good. Yeah, like I say, full history. It's good. So let's quickly look at the book values. So based on it, scroll down. See if we can adjust the mileage back to 30. It won't let me go 30. If it had 50,000 miles today, the retail value would be 12.5 grand, but obviously it's done less than that.
Yeah.
So I would say the retail value today would be in the region of 14 grand, maybe a bit more than that.
I mean, it sounds about right. For the spec, it's got most things. I mean,
yeah. It's a good little, it's a good full package for a small car. It's got it all going for it, isn't it? It feels quick as well.
It is, to be fair, for a little car. It is quite nippy.
It must feel so much better than having a Corsa. So what engine did your Corsa have?
The Corsa was a 1.2.
Blimey.
Just, honestly, it wouldn't go anywhere. And I blew it up originally.
Really?
Because it had a head gasket. But I stage 1'd it, but I only got like 10 horsepower from it.
Oh.
So it wasn't really doing much for the little 1.2.
No, they're bad as it is. Doing that as well, that must have about killed it, isn't it? Literally. Cool, I think what we need to do, go on, give it one last little, have a little feel for that power. Gear changes sound wicked, don't they?
It's a bit like a Golf R, isn't it?
Yes.
It's a bit weird.
It is literally like a little Golf R. So yeah, let's do draggy times, man. Let's see how we get on the leaderboard, yeah?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, we've just decided that we're not going to do any more runs, yeah?
Just because of the gearbox and...
I don't want you to break your car
no.
live on YouTube. That wouldn't be cool. No. And yeah.
It'll get us views though.
It'll get us views,
like the
yeah.
RS6 did.
Yeah, the famous RS6. Go. Oh.
What was that?
But that's pretty good, and even if you look at the leaderboard, maybe 6, getting into 6 was a bit optimistic.
Yeah.
But if you look at the leaderboard, we're right next to sort of 7.53. That's Mugen Civic Type R, they're 200 brake horsepower.
I'm quite happy with that. I mean, it's the Type R at the end of the day.
I think that's good. I think that's really good. Cool, I'll put a link for your YouTube in the description below.
Thank you.
Good luck with everything. Thanks for coming down. It's been a wicked video.
Good video,
yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like, hit subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.